breaking through a journey from 9-5 to digital nomad entrepreneurship. In a world where alarm clocks dictated our lives and office cubicles were our reality, my journey began just a few years ago. I was caught in the whirlwind of a 9-5 job, feeling suffocated by the routine that had become my existence. The view from my window seemed to taunt me, a reminder that life was passing me by. But deep within me, a spark of yearning flickered. It was a longing for something more, for adventure, freedom, and a life less ordinary. The idea of breaking free from the chains of conventionality tugged at my heart, and I couldn't ignore it any longer. And so, with a mixture of trepidation and determination, I took the plunge. I left behind the comfort of my stable job and embarked on a journey that would redefine my life. The path ahead was uncertain, but the allure of self-discovery and boundless opportunities beckoned me forward. As I delved into the world of online business, I found myself navigating uncharted waters. E-commerce, digital marketing, passive income. These terms became my companions as I educated myself and built the foundations of my new venture. The nights were long, and doubts were never far away, but the fire within me burned brighter with every challenge. The first steps were shaky, marked by hesitance and anxiety. But as I launched my online venture, the sweet sound of the first sale echoed like a victory cry. It was a testament that my leap of faith was not in vain, that I was capable of creating something meaningful from scratch. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and my business began to flourish. The rigidity of the 9-5 lifestyle was replaced by the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. The laptop became my passport to the digital nomad life, as I worked from exotic locations and soaked in the beauty of new cultures. Of course, the journey was not without its challenges. Market fluctuations and technical hiccups tested my patience and determination. But with each obstacle, I grew stronger. I learned to adapt, to find solutions, and to persevere even in the face of adversity. Looking back, I marvel at the transformation. The timid person who once hesitated to step out of their comfort zone has blossomed into a confident entrepreneur. The income generated from my online business is just one aspect of the change. The real victory is in reclaiming control over my time and my life. And so, as my journey continues to unfold, I extend an invitation to you, my fellow seekers of freedom and purpose. Click follow and join today for free and start enjoying all the benefits of being a part of this private VIP community. Let's walk this path together, supporting each other through the highs and lows, and celebrating the milestones along the way. The journey is challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Are you ready to step into a life of adventure and self-discovery?